Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. Before I start, I would like to say this channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own due diligence. Any information shared is my own personal opinion. Okay, so for those of you who do not know, I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, business, economics and law. I would like to share this knowledge insight to help you improve your strategy in trading, to look at the best companies to invest going forward, the best potential returns to create wealth. I will be doing a stock analysis at the end of each video. I will also be looking at a short 5-minute lesson to increase your knowledge, so please watch till the end. Let's start with a quick recap of the two stocks that I analysed in the previous video. One of them was Orgo, ticker symbol ORGO, Organogenesis. This stock ran up 14% yesterday. As you know, was a difficult day of trading with many of the major stocks down, including the EV sector such as NIO, XPeng and Li. The other stock that I shared with you, ticker symbol CLOV, this also consolidated with just a small change of 0.34%. I also believe that this is ready to shoot up soon, so it's still within the buying zone. Okay, so I'm going to now go over to my next stock analysis. Okay, first stock analysis is American Battery Metals, ticker symbol ABML. This is a stock I've invested in since it was 30 cents. I'm now at over 500% return. I still expect more, and what I would also like to do is now have a look at what was the news, what's the breaking news, why did American Battery Metals shoot up significantly right now. So if we have a look at the research carried out, we can see that the US government Department of Energy has just come up with a deal with American Batteries to invest into a 50-50 partnership for American Battery Metals Corporation. And if we have a look on there, they are partners 50% with the government, so the government will be sharing half the cost. DOE funding we can see there, and the field demonstration of selected targeted purification. We can also see here that there was a powerful run up on ABML. ABML was recently awarded the grant, the total grant it's saying, it's on, according to my research here, is over $4.5 million. So this also reflects the potential for ABML going into the future. The critics will say this company has no revenue. That is correct. However, this company has a tremendous future. This company is only currently at $1.45. So if you look at the future, the potential gain in share price and once it starts generating revenue is huge. So we can see here they're involved in extraction. They are a clean technology innovator, which is good for the Biden government. It's something certainly they will be looking at, and they've have a groundbreaking lithium ion battery, which is tremendous for the EV sector, tremendous for the future, and it's something that we can say is certainly going forward going to be one of the stocks to look for. So currently it's trading at $1.95. My prediction and analysis for this, if you already have it, certainly don't sell your shares, hold on to them. If you are looking to enter ABML, my strike price for this is anything below 145. If this dips to below 145, I would strike. Anything below 130, I would strike. If you're already an existing holder, then please keep your shares. I will be keeping these for the long term. I expect ABML to be trading at least $10 within the next 3 years. To finish off the analysis on American Battery Metals, if you have a look at the screen, I'm sharing some questions with you, and let's look at why I believe American Battery Metals has a tremendous future. Question 1, is there a demand for lithium, cobalt and vanadium? Answer is yes. Does ABML have 1,300 lithium claims that have now been renewed? Answer is yes. Does ABML have processes to reclaim these metals from discards? We will soon find out. Hopefully that will be positive news. Question 4. Does ABML have land for a plant and a contractor to build? Yes, they do. This has been announced. This is fantastic news going forward. Revenues will be coming through and this company will have a tremendous future. Does ABML have a program to explore for other sources of strategic metals? They say this is the case. Let's hope so. And I believe this looks very, very positive. So unless the demand for lithium and cobalt collapses, ABML, in my opinion, looks like a very promising stock with a tremendous future. So please add this to your watch list. Okay. Next stock I'd like to look at is OBLN Therapeutics, ticker symbol OBLN, currently trading at close of play yesterday at $8.2523. This stock ran up more than 412%, and we need to look at why. Why is this stock currently very, very hot at the moment? Let's look at their business model. What do they do? So if we have a look at the profile of the company, we can see that this focus on developing medical devices to treat obese and overweight people by facilitating weight loss with a swallowable glass filled balloon designed to provide weight loss in obese patients. So certainly this is going to have a huge demand. Why was there a run-up? Let's have a look. So please follow the video. Let's have a look. So OBLN Therapeutics stock soar to lead all gainers on massive volume after a reshaped merger. If you look back to my first video, one of the factors that I said was a merger affects the share price, and it certainly has in this case, running up more than 412%, which is fantastic. So this volume was crazy. OBLN Therapeutics, if after this merger, this stock may consolidate down. However, long term, it has fantastic potential. When the merger is completed, we can see that the shareholders will own 51% of the company, and it will reshape Life Sciences. So let's have a look at the current price. So the current price, $8. I do expect a little bit of consolidation. I expect that to come down. However, this is certainly one for your watch list. It's a speculative, very, very high risk stock with a tremendous potential gain, but also with a very, very potential high loss. It's one to add on your watch list, and I would certainly start with a very small investment in this if you are looking to trade in OBLN, sorry. Yeah, if you're looking to trade on this, certainly start with a small investment just to get yourself in there. Once you can monitor the news, see how the share is trading, then you can have an opportunity to average up or average down depending on the general movement of the stock. However, it is not one to miss out on. It could be a tremendous opportunity for the future. I have made a very small speculative investment, and I hope to share more details with you on this as we go forward. Time for lesson number 4. This will be a short 5-minute lesson, less than 5 minutes maybe. Just looking at today's lesson, we'll be looking at one of the key terms you may hear about quite a lot, and the key term we're going to look at is FOMO, F-O-M-O. Fear of missing out. So this is something that massively affects the price of a share. It also affects it's caused by the behavior of shareholders. We need to look at how to deal with it. What's the best strategy? What is the best advice? So first of all, let's look at what is FOMO. FOMO is an emotional reaction. It can affect your normal strategy. However, you need to look at using FOMO positively. FOMO does affect the way you would normally trade. So in general, if you are having FOMO, then it's not generally a good thing, because you are deviating from how you normally trade. So you are following the crowd. You should not follow the crowd. You should always use your judgment based on the company, based on your belief. And remember, as I said before, please only invest in companies you believe in. Please only invest in companies you want to have a future with. So that's how I trade. I only invest in companies I believe in. So FOMO, what can we do? How's the best way to deal with it? In my opinion, the way I would look at it, I would not follow the crowd. The best way to deal with FOMO, the best way to take advantage of FOMO, is let everything take place. Because what happens when a share price is affected by FOMO, it appreciates in value, and generally this value is artificial value. And what's going to happen after that? The share price is going to collapse down. Many investors will get burned, lose a lot of money. However, that crash in value is the perfect opportunity to take advantage, strike, make your investment, because it will come down, and that is the time for you to invest after the collapse. So always buy on the dip, never buy on the rise. Previous lesson, never chase. If you chase, you will lose. Okay, and always follow your judgments. So that's just a quick short lesson on FOMO. Again, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check back in the next video. I hope to be releasing new videos every day, analyzing the latest stocks, the latest predictions, and also offering a short 5-minute lesson to improve your trading strategy at the end. Please like and subscribe. Please share. Thank you very much.